Hello, Darren here with the WhisperKOOL engineering team. WhisperKOOL Split Systems operate on a pump-down cycle. Unlike traditional air conditioners, there's no wiring needed between the evaporator and the condensing unit. The system is controlled utilizing a solenoid valve in the evaporator and a low-pressure switch on the condenser. The thermostat activates the solenoid valve on the liquid line in the evaporator, allowing refrigerant to flow, starting the cooling cycle. Once the cellar is cooled to the desired temperature, the solenoid valve is closed, stopping refrigerant flow to the evaporator. Meanwhile, the compressor continues to operate until most of the system's refrigerant is pumped into the condenser coil and receiver. As the pressure in the line drops, the compressor is shut off by a low pressure switch on the suction line, completing the cooling cycle. The factory set cutout pressure for the low pressure switch is 15 psi. Once the thermostat calls for another cooling cycle, the solenoid valve opens, allowing refrigerant to flow through the system. The compressor turns on once the low pressure switch is reactivated due to increasing pressure in the suction line, allowing the cooling process to start again. The factory cut-in pressure for the low pressure switch is 25 psi. Here at WhisperKOOL, we strive to protect your investment in fine wines. For more information, visit our website at whisperkool.com.